بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أنا دكتور سعيد حمدي، مدرس مساعد طب الأطفال. النهارده هنبدأ نشرح الجزء الثاني من الأبدومينال إكزامينيشن. هنستأذنك نكشف على بطنه ونصور ده للطلبة.
اتفضل.
الجزء اللي هشرحه النهارده خاص بالإكزامينيشن أوف ذا سبلين، إكزامينيشن أوف ذا كيدني، تيست فور أسايتس، and auscultation of the abdomen. في البداية طبعا في أي abdominal examination بنعمل exposure from the sternum to the symphysis pubis. هبدأ بالexamination of the spleen. في البداية هعمل superficial palpation. Ask the patient if there is any tenderness، في أي حتة بتوجعك في بطنك. دلوقتي هبدأ palpation of the spleen from the right iliac fossa, go oblique to the left hypochondrium. Then percuss for the upper bowl of the spleen in the middle midline, left mid axillary line. I found dullness here. I will count. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. So the upper bowl of the spleen is here in the 9 mid-axillary line at the left side. Comment on the spleen palpation. This patient has no splenomegaly and the upper bowl of the spleen is present in the 9th mid-axillary line on the left side. If I find splenomegaly, I should comment on size of the spleen, surface of the spleen, consistency, tenderness, presence of notch, and the anterior border of the spleen, if it is rounded or sharp. After examination of the spleen, I will examine the kidney. Now I will examine for the kidney using the bimanual method. Now I will check for and examine for the renal angle. At the lower costal margin, it is the space between the lower costal margin, then the back, and the paravertebral muscle. So this is the renal angle. This is first percussion for detection of tenderness in the renal angle that may occur in case of pyelonephritis. ماشي Now I will examine for the presence of ascites using the shifting dullness technique. He starts to blow the umbilicus. I found dullness here, so I will ask the patient to go the other side. Leaving my fingers for 30 seconds and percuss again. Dullness shifted to be resonant, so I will comment it is positive shifting dullness and there is that detect the presence of ascites. Last part, I will auscultate the abdomen. Auscultate the abdomen to hear the sound of peristaltic sound that may be absent in cases of ileus and exaggerated in case of intestinal obstruction or acute diarrhea. Thanks.